And now, Kola Daniels Group covers Ògún by True Gong.
Yo, you guys, do you know that True Gong just released a new song?
Really?
Yeah, go check it out. Come. Okay, this is fire. Okay.
Ògún, the mighty forger, with iron in his hand, he cleared the path for humans in this fertile land. From the forest deep and dark to the open plains, Ògún's iron tools and weapons broke the ancient chains. With his strength and his skill, he shaped the world anew.